integrated configuration, programming, database management and communication, integrated system and process diagnostics, reduction in the total cost of ownership. That is totally integrated automation from Siemens. If you are using a SIMATIC controller and have installed the Step 7 configuration software on your system, you can integrate WinCC Flexible in Step 7. The SIMATIC Manager serves as central control point for the creation, processing and management of the SIMATIC controllers and HMI operator panels. You have access to all objects in WinCC Flexible via the SIMATIC Manager. The links between objects in WinCC Flexible and operands on the control level are easily configured by selecting symbols on the controllers. All objects in WinCC Flexible which can be linked to a variable are suitable for the transfer of variables to the location. For example, a linear regulator. Open the selection dialog for the variable in the Linear Regulator's Properties window. Navigate to the S7 program in the relevant controller and select the required symbol from the symbol list or from a data block. The system automatically creates a variable in WinCC Flexible and links it with the associated operand in Step 7. If desired, the symbolic name from Step 7 can be taken over as the name of the variable. The Smart Access option from WinCC Flexible allows you to implement communication between HMI systems. Suitable for this purpose are panels and multi-panels of the 270, 370 and XP177B color series, as well as the mobile panels 177PN and PCs with WinCC Flexible runtime. The scenarios below are examples of those you can implement with the aid of communication between HMI systems. Coordinated operator stations, distributed HMI. Communication between HMIs using the SIMATIC HMI HTTP protocol. Remote monitoring and control of installed systems. Data access from other applications over Web Service SOAP. Communication between HMIs via the SIMATIC HMI HTTP protocol. The SIMATIC HMI HTTP protocol allows you to make a panel's or server's variables available to another panel or client, giving local or central panels access to other stations' variables. This makes it easy to implement cell concepts or line concepts and make distributed information centrally available. This concept also makes it possible to set up small and cost-effective central control posts. Use of a PC for this purpose results in additional possibilities for archiving, analysis, and further processing of the acquired process data.